Let's talk about fixing a broken department. Hi, I'm Missy Day, Corporate Impact Expert. One of the ways you can fix a broken department is to have a little fun. And I know that sounds so simple, but you know what? It works. If you have a team that can barely drag in the morning, they're not helping one another, your production numbers keep going down, your employee satisfaction scores are going down even lower, chances are you have a broken department. And usually one of the reasons they're broken is because they don't have a chance to do team building activities, which keeps them engaged in the process. If you take 15 minutes every Friday and just have a little fun and implement it on a leadership level so that your employees can see you having fun, it will take your department to a whole other level. The things you're going to notice is higher productivity, higher employee satisfaction scores, and you're actually going to hear laughter, and you're going to see your team helping one another. And you're also going to see them working at a pace that you couldn't believe. I would encourage you to just take a chance, implement a little fun, and see where it takes your organization. If you'd like 10 tips on how fun in the workplace can help your organization, please visit missyday.com/fun.